Welcome to online learning, and we are starting our UOI 4. In this unit, we're going to be looking at how organizations respond to the needs of a community by taking action. We're going to be looking at needs and rights of different communities, then looking at how organizations, such as PAWS Bangkok, organize themselves to meet those needs. Then we're going to look at various ways we can take action to help a community, either locally or globally. And there's nothing that's too small or too big that we can't think about. So let's go and start this unit with a review of vocabulary. For UOI 4 Vocabulary Part 1, we're going to be looking at 11 words that are part of our Unit 4. The words are human rights, advocate, dignity, empathy, entitled, fundamental, perspective, privilege, resource, sanitation, and sustainable. These 11 words are words that we will see throughout the unit, and that's why we're going to go ahead and start tuning into them. You can see our example for human rights. The definition is given for all 11 words, and then we need to write a connection or an example, and then draw a quick sketch to symbolize the word. For human rights, the definition given was protect people's needs so they can live a dignified or valued life with the ability to grow. The connection I made is something that I already know. It's from previous knowledge of what I know about human rights. And I know they protect people's right to food, clean drinking water, housing, healthcare, self-expression, and safety. Now, this is me connecting to it, but I could also just give an example. Advocate has the definition, person who publicly supports a specific cause or set of laws. So I could give an example of how I advocate for going green and being able to reuse, reduce, and recycle. And it can be a simple example or connection, just like that. For the illustration or the sketch, you can see on human rights, I drew hands reaching for some of those human rights that I'm aware of. For advocate, I could draw a person standing up, speaking out about recycling, reducing, or reusing, and other people listening or being there because, key word in this, it's publicly. So, quick sketch, it's clear what I'm trying to symbolize for this word so that whenever I think of this word or I see this image, I'll instantly go, advocate. Or when I stand up in front of others and talk about an important cause. Once you have completed all 11 words with their examples and their illustration, you're going to make sure you grab a camera, it could be your phone, or if your computer takes really clear pictures, you're going to make sure you take 4 clear pictures, one of each page, and upload them each to their own page on Seesaw. Once you've done that, you can click the green check and you're good to go.